The pileated woodpecker, one of the biggest forest birds, is about the size of a crow. This red-crowned woodpecker is pecking at mostly dead trees and fallen logs in search for its main prey, carpenter ants. This pecking can be so deep and wide that it can cause smaller trees to break. This red-crowned, sometimes referred to as red-crested woodpecker, prefers to nest in large trees. A pair of pileated woodpeckers prefers to stay together on its territory all year. If you have seen a pair of these woodpeckers, please let us know in the comments and like and subscribe.